Hi everybody. Today what I'm going to share with you is how I make meatloaf, just a basic meatloaf, okay? We have 1¼ pound of hamburger meat, 1/4 pound of ground pork, a 1/2 cup of celery, a 1/2 cup of onion, and 1/4 cup of bell pepper. And these three items are chopped very, very finely. Okay, we have a 1/2 bag of saltine crackers, which is about 16 crackers, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, 1½ teaspoons of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1½ teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then I have some more tomato sauce, but this is for the top that we put on after an hour of cooking. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to combine our meats. I just do this with my hand. It just makes it easier. Get your celery, your onion, your bell pepper, and give this a mix. Okay, we're going to add our egg to break up the yolk. We're going to get the tomato sauce. This is a very basic recipe. I will come up with another recipe later with another way of how I make meatloaf. There's a million ways to make meatloaf. Very basic, very easy. You can make it ahead of time. Make it the night before. Come home from work, pop it in the oven. Okay, now we're going to put our spices. Put the salt, pepper, and the Worcestershire. And we're going to break up our crackers. We're going to crush up the crackers just with your hands. And you can use, these are saltine crackers. You can use whatever crackers. You can use Ritz crackers, Townhouse crackers, whatever crackers your family likes. You're making this to your taste. And the vegetables, if you don't like a certain vegetable, you don't have to put it in. You do what your family likes. Okay, and that's ready. It's that simple. Okay, and the way I prepare it, I have this little cookie sheet here that I just put foil on just for easy cleanup. Okay, I turn it into a little, form it into like a little log. And that's it. You're going to pop it into a 350-degree oven for an hour and 10 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and brush it with some tomato sauce and put it back in for a few minutes. So this is how it looks like. And I will be back as soon as it's ready. Hey, it's been an hour since the meatloaf has been in the oven. Now we're going to take the other 1/2 cup of tomato sauce and we are going to put it on top of the meatloaf and put it back into the oven. Put as much as you want. That's it. And that's how it looks like. It's going back in the oven. And we'll be back. Okay, the meatloaf is out of the oven. And this is what it looks like. It stayed in there for an hour and 10 minutes total. So I'm going to slice it up and serve it up so y'all can see it. Okay, it's out of the oven and it's plated up. And this is what it looks like. I just plated it with some mashed potatoes. And we're going to put some gravy on it in a minute. But there it is. It's very moist, and I'm sure the family will enjoy it. Okay, guys, that's going to conclude the video for today. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Facebook at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Okay, guys, see y'all later. Bye.